The quality of our self-talk decide the quality of our life. Research shows that 80% of our self-talk is negative. Just imagine a whole day listening to a recording full of complaints and criticism and negativity. Yes, we do that every day inside our head. Hi, I am Pratyush. I combine my learnings of quantum science, neuroscience, psychology, spirituality, and share my thoughts to create a world that we aspire. There is a very simple and effective tool that you can use to change the quality of your self-talk, and which is positive affirmations. Now, most of the people are aware what affirmations are. Affirmations are statements that we say over and over again to ourselves. It can be negative or it can be positive. Most of the people are using negative affirmations because they are using it unconsciously, but not you, because you are aware and you can create your own affirmation consciously and change the quality of your self-talk. Today I'm going to share a step-by-step process on how you can create your own personalized affirmations, and I'm going to share the problem with affirmation and how you can overcome that problem. So here are some examples of positive affirmations. I am important, I am beautiful, I am an awesome communicator, making friends is easy for me. Similarly, you can create your own affirmations and use them for your benefit with these 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Take a paper and a pen and write down negative statements that you say to yourself again and again. Okay, it can sound like I'm not important, I'm ugly, I'm poor. Okay, write down this kind of negative statements. Now step number 2. Take another paper and on this paper write down counter statements again the negative statements. If it is I'm ugly, write I'm beautiful, I'm gorgeous. If it is I'm poor, write I'm wealthy and making money is easy for me. In your counter statement, use words like incredible, awesome, gorgeous, because this kind of words have emotions in them. Okay, now step number 3. Burn that paper number 1 with negative statements. The paper number 2 with counter statements are your affirmations, and you have to read them every single day at least 2 to 3 times to change the quality of your self-talk. The basic problem with affirmation is that sometimes it feels like that we are lying to ourselves. Affirming on a negative core belief can create conflict and can stress you out. Like if you are poor but you are saying that you are wealthy, your mind will say that no, you are lying and this will not work. So I suggest you to use affirmations only 2 times, just before going to sleep or just after you wake up, because in these times your mind is most suggestible and your logical mind is almost sleeping in these times. Your mind is in alpha state. So when you affirm in these times, the statement will go deep down in your subconscious mind and create an immediate and deep impact. So if this video was helpful, if this video has impacted you, please share with other people and help me to create more awareness. Stay safe. Thank you.